Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about wetlands. There are two types of wetland, the natural and the artificial. Um, the first is an area in the earth surface that is permanently or temporarily flooded. It's regulated by climatic and geological factors in constant relation with the living beings in the area. There are different types of microorganisms, animals, and vegetables adapted to the flood conditional development. In this type of ecosystem, we can see different processes, chemical and physical process, capable of remove different types of pollution and therefore purify the water. But the other hand, we have the artificial wetland. There are man-made areas in which they produce a controlled manner biological, chemical, and physical process of pollution remove that the natural wetland can do.
Well, I'm going to talk about the artificial wetland works. First, the feeding of artificial wetland can be carried continuously or intermittently. The operation consists in that the water pass through a filter similar to soils. Inside the soil plant interaction and some microorganisms growth. The purification water starts when the water through the stems or roots plants because it's where the bacteria eliminate the pollution present in the water. In the other hand, artificial wetlands are applicable for the wastewater treatment that comes to domestic. If the population is less to 1,000 inhabitants, pisciculture, leach from the agriculture, aeroports, garbage nurseries, among others, and industrial, for example, chemical factory or production and processing food.
Okay, the wetlands are composed of fish, the substrate. This serves for support for the vegetation and allow fish of biofuel. Second, vegetation that contribute to the oxygenation and elimination of nutrients and the development of the biofuel. The water to biotreatment that provides food to the plants. The objectives are the eliminations of suspended solid through the filtering process, elimination of organic matter by action of microorganisms, and nitrogen eliminate by plant or by microorganisms, elimination of phosphate by absorption process of the substance, and elimination of pathogen by absorption of substrate particles.
Classifications are classified in four. First, free flow or surface for wetlands. The water circulates over the substance continuously and anaerobic conditions are favored as the water is directly exposed to the atmosphere. They are used to treat effluents from secondary treatment and to create or resort aquatic ecosystem. Second, subsurface flow artificial wetlands. Water circulations in underground through a granular medium or substrate. Vertical artificial wetlands. The water circulate vertically through the substrate intermediality. Ventilation stacks are often included to promote aerobic conditions. Nitrification processes are developed. And this last, horizontal artificial wetlands. The water circulates through the substrate continuously. Anaerobic conditions are favored by the water level below the substrate. this nitrification process are developed.
Well, I'm going to talk about advantage and disadvantage of artificial wetlands in wastewater treatment. First, advantage. It has a thermal protection in cold climates due to the accumulation of plants. It has an excellent integration with the environment because it replaces the buildings and the machines for a microphyte plantation. It has an easy operation, less dangerous, and don't need too much things to operate. Now let's go with the disadvantage. It has a high construction cost. Also, the treatment process takes a long time to be optimal. The water is not available to animals and loses his environmental value. It has a high rise to chlorine too. To finish, it needs a larger surface area to operate than other conventional treatments.